Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the password of your tagged account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I'm already logged in and this is my particular profile's homepage. So to simply change the password of your tagged account because of any of the reasons, all you have to do is tap on the three parallel lines on the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your on profile section. Now tap on this gear icon next to your name on the top right, and simply you will get lots of settings option. Now onto this account section, there is an option of change password below premium subscription. Tap on it. Now you go to enter your current password and the very new password that you want to keep and use again and again, which must be of at least 6 characters. So let me keep mine and then confirm it back again. And when you're done, you can tap on save option on the top right corner of the screen. And just by doing it, you can see that your password has been changed, so you can simply keep it back again, the very new password, and tap on login option below. And just by doing it, you can see that I'm logged in to my own account. This means my password has been changed. So this is how you do it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.